If you're wondering what to cook up for your workmates, a brisket is the perfect thing. Whilst a charcoal smoker works best, you can still do this in the oven and flash fry it. Hot tip for young players, if you've got a smaller smoker, you've got a kettle, you've got some sort of a bullet smoke, etc. If you're not taking measuring tape to the butcher, you can dummy fit it just like this. And as you can see, it's only just going to be hanging over. When you trim the thin part of the flat anyway, it'll get you into spec. Stagger your cherry wood from the heat source so it smokes gradually like a fuse.
Franger off. Just a light trim on the underside. Sriracha as a binder. And Oz dirt is the rub. Season from about 50 to 60 centimetres in height to get a nice even coverage. For God's sakes, pack, don't rub, save that for the bedroom. Now flip it onto the gut, so we'll do the top side last because that will be our presentation side. Same treatment as underneath. Righto, let's bang her into the smoker. Righto, let's bang the lid on. Remember, if you're looking, it ain't cooking. Probably won't touch this for a good couple of hours.
Super crispy bacon works really well on a brisket burger. Bang some foil underneath to prevent pooling. Quick probe, quick test. It's probably a little bit over, but great for the brisket burgers, and I'm going to do. Then make sure you test a point. A little bit tighter, but will work perfectly well. Now that it's done, we're just going to tent it. We're just going to crack the fly at the front, let some steam out for 10 minutes, and we're going to wrap it up, and we're going to let that rest. Rub bottle doesn't work great as a tripod. Get your Mark 1 eyeball around that. That is juicier than Lucy. The bend test actually held up pretty well. So if you have an opportunity to cook for the guys at work, neighbourhood, whatever, give it a crack. Here's a quick list of the stuff I made to go on the burgers themselves. Bang it in.